The Turkish Salt Lake Tuz is specific in many ways. It is the second saltiest lake in the world after the Dead Sea. Its salinity reaches an unbelievable 329 permille towards the end of summer when it is almost dry. About 60% of Turkey's salt needs are covered by salt extraction from this lake. The geological structure of the lake is also unique. It is 900 meters above sea level and was formed by continuous or intermittent subsidence of the basin that began 80 million and ended 34 million years ago. At that time, the movements of the earth crust and volcanic activity were extremely high. Tuz Lake is a closed lake with no outlet. Its area was about 1,500 square kilometers in the 1990s, but it is becoming smaller and smaller. The main reason is global warming. This area has the lowest annual rainfall in Turkey, only 324 mm per square meter, and the streams that supply the lake with water shrink or run dry in summer. The average water level of the lake is about 40 centimeters, making it the shallowest lake in Turkey. The highest water level is in May, and it's then about 110 centimeters. In August, the lake largely dries up, and it is possible to cross it on foot. In terms of chemical composition, table salt dominates here. High salinity and evaporation lead to the sedimentation of 10 to 30 centimeters of salt per year. Under the lake are layers of salt of different densities, which are up to 1,000 meters deep. Endemic, sensitive, and rare plant and animal species live in and around the lake. Sometimes in the rainy season, Lake Tuz take on a pink or red color. The reason for this is the number of seaweed, Dunaliella salina, that grows in the lake from time to time, and the tiny brine shrimp that feed on the seaweed. During the breeding season, a colony of 4,000 to 5,000 flamingo nests, which is also pink, is observed in the lake.